In the world of off-road adventure, Jeeps stand as a beacon of durability. But even the sturdiest of vehicles needs proper care, especially when it comes to four-wheel alignment. It's not just about keeping your ride smooth. It's about ensuring your Jeep lives up to its legendary capabilities. Imagine your Jeep gliding over rocky terrains with ease. That's the magic of proper wheel alignment. It's the fine-tuning of your Jeep's suspension, ensuring wheels are parallel and perpendicular to the ground. This precision means better handling, responsive steering, and a minimized risk of suspension failure. It's essential for both the shiny new models and the cherished vintage Jeeps. Ever wonder why tires wear out unevenly? It's often due to misaligned wheels. This not only shortens tire life, but also affects your Jeep's performance. Proper alignment distributes weight evenly, preventing premature wear and saving you from the hassle and cost of frequent tire replacements. Aligned wheels roll with less resistance, which means your Jeep doesn't guzzle fuel to push forward. This alignment translates to smoother rides, less fuel consumption, and a happier wallet, not to mention a lighter carbon footprint. Lastly, safety is paramount. Misaligned wheels can jeopardize control, especially in emergencies. A well-aligned Jeep ensures optimal tire contact, providing the traction and grip needed for effective braking and accident prevention. So for the sake of safety, keep those wheels aligned.